Dr. Kristi Funk has dedicated her entire career to preventing and treating breast cancer, and today she's going to share a smoothie recipe to help prevent cancer. And she, as well as myself, is pretty excited about this smoothie. I've never seen you this excited.
I am convinced that this truly is the most cancer-kicking beverage on planet Earth. You ready?
Whoa.
So we're going to start off with a cup and a half of soy milk. So soy is a phytoestrogen. Plant-based estrogens actually are healthy in your body, decreasing the bad estrogens. And guess what you get to do? Drop your prostate cancer risk by 70%.
So soy, because look, a lot of people have been scared about the potential interaction with hormones of eating too much soy. You're saying
it's incorrect. Six huge studies since 2009 show that there are different estrogen receptors in your body. Alpha is the bad one attached to cancer. Beta is the good one hit by soy milk and other soy products like tempeh miso. And so
I can eat tofu now too?
Please eat tofu. Okay. 2 to 3 servings a day. Prostate cancer plummets. Breast cancer, 60% less. And if you have breast cancer, 29% less death. Wow. Just from 2 to 3 servings of soy a day.
FYI, I'm having fun. This is really good. Soy milk, what else?
Moving on, the 2 powerhouses in this smoothie. Leafy greens, okay, your cruciferous vegetables. Nobody wants broccoli in a smoothie, so we're gonna do some spinach and some kale.
Nice.
And you can, if you don't like the taste of green smoothies, you can also use a green powder mix and just put that in and you'll get more of the berry flavor. Oh,
all right,
the
we got the
second
greens.
powerhouse.
Speaking of berries.
2 cups of berries. These phytonutrients in here literally send these free radical scavengers coursing through your veins to seek and destroy cancer cells. I'm not lying.
Down with free radicals.
Like the greens. Down with the free radicals.
Yes.
Okay, so moving on, we have, speaking of berries, there was this study, 3,100 foods, everything from coconuts to Coca-Cola was studied for the antioxidant power. Guess was at the tippity top? The Indian gooseberry, which nobody has that in their supermarket. So we're going to use amla, which is the powder form of the Indian gooseberry. Moving on, we've got curcumin, or the active form of turmeric. So a 1/4 teaspoon of that.
Love
Here
that.
comes the amla.
Curcumin is so powerful, it causes apoptosis, which is a way of saying cancer cell suicide. But it's not going to work in your body unless you add a pinch of the piperine from pepper. Pepper will take the bioavailability of curcumin from barely detectable in your body to 2,000%.
Hey, real quick.
That's why
Hey, docs, we're gonna play a drinking game. Every time Dr. Funk says apoptosis, we drink.
Okay.
Yum.
All right, so now we need a healthy fat, apoptosis. And the healthiest, get this, I don't know if you guys know this, the highest concentration of omega-3 fatty acids in any food on planet Earth, it is not salmon, my friends, flax seeds.
Yeah, flax it like you mean it. Okay,
Ground flax seeds are so powerful. They have 100 times the lignans of any other food on Earth, and lignans decrease estrogen in your body and stop cancer cells from growing.
So wait, are the dates in the banana just to sweeten it up?
No, the dates have fiber. Fiber binds estrogen in your GI tract, so you poop it out. The banana, the rutin is an anti-inflammatory, as is our cinnamon, more anti-inflammatory. And then one of my last favorites for the smoothie is going to be green tea. So 2 ounces of brewed green tea, or I just often cut a green tea bag open and throw the whole leaves in there, or throw in a little bit of the matcha powder.
It kind of adds a nice little unique flavor to it.
Beyond flavor, it adds polyphenols coursing through your blood that literally identify and stop cancer cells from growing and metastasizing. Very powerful. That is oh goodness gracious, my aloe vera inner fillet gel. It doesn't have to be this complicated. You can just buy it in a jar. 1/4 cup of that. Also powerful anti-inflammatory in your body, and it revs up your immune system. So aloe vera, by the gel, it is not aloe juice and it's not aloe water. Inner fillet only.
It is Z fillet.
Now
can I say one thing as you blend this?
Yes.
Incredibly well balanced.
Yes.
You would not know that this is loaded with ingredients to help prevent cancer, anti-inflammatory across the board. This is a whole body. This is something that, hey, I'm adding to the repertoire. I'm going to add this to the repertoire. I love this. All right, let's see it. Let's see it blend. Boom. That's how it's done. Best part Dr. Funk's Cancer Kicking Smoothie, one of many tips in her new book, Breasts, the Owner's Manual. That's going to be available in the spring. We're going to have more on her book and a link to this wonderful recipe on our website, thedoctorstv.com.